Hey there, gift givers and eco-warriors. Ever looked at a pile of the same old wrapping paper and thought, there's got to be a better way? Well, there are tons of eco-friendly gift wrapping ideas. Stick around and watch this video until the end. See how to make your presents look amazing while being kind to our planet. Ready to wrap? Let's start. There are tons of wrapping options with eco-friendly items. First up, let's remember why eco-friendly gift wrapping matters. Did you know that most traditional wrapping paper isn't recyclable? That's right, all those shiny, glittery papers end up in landfills. But don't worry, we've got some great alternatives that are just as pretty and way more earth-friendly. Let's start with the simplest option, which is reusable gift bags. These are easy to get. Most takeout restaurants are giving out these bags. You can find fabric gift bags in all sorts of cute patterns. Or make your own fabric bag from old pillowcases or t-shirts. The bag itself will be an added gift. Just pop your gift inside, tie with a ribbon, and you're done. Next up, let's talk about Furoshiki. Furoshiki is a traditional Japanese fabric wrap and has existed in Japan for over 1,200 years. This Japanese wrapping technique uses square pieces of fabric to wrap gifts. It's like origami, but with fabric. Here's how to do it. Lay your fabric flat on a table. Place your gift in the center. Bring two opposite corners up and tie them in a knot. Then, do the same with the other two corners. Voila! A beautifully wrapped gift with zero waste. Yes, zero waste. Now, let's get creative with some household items. Got any old maps, newspapers, magazine pages lying around? They make fantastic wrapping paper. Same goes for comics or kids' storybook pages. Your gift will look unique, and you'll be giving new life to something that might have been thrown away. Brown craft paper is another great option. This is being used increasingly by retailers as packaging material. Craft paper is recyclable and biodegradable. Plus, it's a blank canvas for your creativity. Try decorating it with stamps made from potato halves dipped in paint. Use your creativity. Use twine and some sprigs of evergreen for a rustic look. Speaking of plants, why not try some nature-inspired wrapping? Use large leaves as gift wrap for small items. Banana leaves work great for this. Secure with some twine like jute yarn and add a sprig of herbs for a lovely scent. Here's a fun idea: seed paper. You can buy it or make your own. It's paper with flower seeds embedded in it. After the gift is opened, the recipient can plant the paper and grow flowers. Talk about a gift that keeps on giving. Let's not forget about boxes. Instead of buying new ones, save and reuse boxes from online orders. Give them a new life with some paint or covered in fabric. They're perfect for oddly shaped gifts. Now, what about those finishing touches? Instead of plastic bows and nylon ribbons, use natural twine. You can also make your own gift tags from old greeting cards or cardboard. Cut them into shapes, punch a hole, and thread some twine through. Here's a pro tip: keep a gift wrap box at home. Whenever you receive a gift, save any reusable elements like ribbons or gift bags. You'll always have wrapping supplies on hand, and you'll be reusing materials. Remember, the most eco-friendly option though is to not wrap at all. Try the Japanese practice of Furoshiki we talked about earlier. Or simply tie a twine around your gift and add a sprig of greenery. Let's talk about gift toppers. Instead of plastic bows, try making a pom-pom from yarn scraps. Or use a pine cone or small ornament as a topper. These add a personal touch and can be part of the gift itself. For those times when you really need traditional wrapping paper, look for recycled options. Many companies now make beautiful papers from recycled materials. Just be sure to avoid anything with glitter or metallic elements, as these can't be recycled. Here's a fun idea for kids' gifts: use their artwork as wrapping paper. It's personal, meaningful, and puts all those school art projects to good use. Don't forget about the tape. Regular clear tape isn't recyclable. Try using paper tape or wide ribbons of jute. Or get creative with your folds so you don't need tape at all. Lastly, remember that presentation is everything. And all the eco-friendly thought that goes behind it. Even the simplest eco-friendly wrap job can look amazing with some thought and care. Take your time, add some personal touches, and your gifts will look fabulous. And there you have it, folks. Eco-friendly wrapping is so easy. Remember, every small change makes a difference. Tons of eco-friendly gift wrapping ideas to make your presents pop while keeping our planet happy. So next time you're wrapping a gift, think green. What's your favorite gift wrapping hack? Share in the comments below. If you found this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more eco-friendly tips.